The traditional way of making scrunchies is by using a needle and a thread or with the help of a sieving machine. However, in today's hack, I'm going to show you how can you make scrunchies without using needle, thread or any kind of stitching. It's very simple, easy to make and all the more fun. Want to know how it's done? Stay along. To make these scrunchies, you'll require a rubber band like this, a cloth. Now the cloth needs to be shorter on the sideways and longer on the other side, exactly like you see this. This is going to be approximately 10.5 and this comes to approximately 75. You'll need clips like this. If you all don't have like this, you all can use the clips which you'll use for drying, and this is the important one, that's fabric glue. And let's begin making. Now firstly, you'll have to see which is the front and the back of the scrunchie. As per that, you'll have to work. Ensure that you'll stick it as a flap, one over the other, like I'm showing you in this way. You all will have to take the other end and put it over it. Ensure to keep something underneath before applying glue on the fabric so that it does not touch on the other side of this material. There. You'll have to spread the glue with the help of your finger, or if you have another piece of cloth which is waste, you all can use that for spreading the glue in this way. And once you're done with the spreading of the glue, just take the other side of the material and paste it over the glue in this way. Now drying will take some time, so if you all need the help of a blower or a dryer, you all can make use of it if you all are in a hurry. If not, you all can just wait and let it dry. Now if you tilt, you'll still feel it's wet. For the glue stains, it's very easy to remove. I'll show you at the end how it's done. Take this rubber band that you all have and ensure that one corner you all will pull it up inwards through the circle and the other will be outside of the circle like this, and these two ends will get attached. The corners will start getting attached to form the scrunchie. This will be around the rubber band. You will keep on pasting the corners all throughout. So let's begin. Again, ensure there's something underneath. Start spreading the fabric glue. Ensure that you all are spreading this glue bit by bit. You all do not need a lot of it. You all do not need it too much on the inside, just to attach the corners. That's how much glue you all require. So you all ensure that it's a thin line you all are drawing, making use of the glue. Once you all are done with the amount of glue, see that you all do it part by part. Just attach the other side on top of it like this. So both of the ends stick together, the corners, edges stick together in this way, and just put a clip because that will help hold it firm, and continue doing the same thing all throughout. Same thing, apply the glue, paste it together, stick it together, put the clip and move forward. Now here what I am doing is I am trying to show you all that as and when you all move further in the process of applying glue, you all will have to adjust the remaining fabric so that you all can spread the glue equally and paste the corners together. Once you have completed nearly more than half of the scrunchie, what you all will have to do is you all will have to adjust the fabric by stretching the rubber band. This is how you will do, and then just pull the fabric in between the rubber band like this. This is so that it will be easier as you all go on pasting the corners of the scrunchie. Now here I am done almost. This is the last bit of the scrunchie that I need to paste. There, that's done. Now as you can see, I'm done with the scrunchie, but there are bits where glue has not been sufficient or it has opened up due to some reason. So that we'll need to paste it up at the end once we are done sticking through. That's very simple. Just open up that area a little and put in the glue at the corner and stick them together. This was a large portion, so basically I'm showing you how you end it up in case if there's any remaining gap in your scrunchie, and then just put the clip. Once you're done making the scrunchie, just remove the excess threads sticking outside by cutting it, and there your scrunchie should be done by now. Now remember, I had mentioned how to remove the glue stains. It's very easy. Where all you'll see the glue stains, just put a drop of water and start scraping it with your fingernail in this way, just scratching it. It will go off very easily. You'll need not worry about the stain that it is going to look ugly and spoil the look of the scrunchie. No, it goes off very easily with water, so you all can just scratch it off like this and the stain is gone. Once your scrunchie is stuck, this is how it looks. I don't know, this way gives me a coral kind of feeling. It looks very nice, very cute. However, for those of y'all who like the traditional scrunchie, all y'all have to do is twist inward out. What I mean is, the side that is inside, you all will have to turn it and put it outside, and once you all do that, you all should have the traditional scrunchie look. The turning process just takes a little bit because you'll need to adjust the corners, and after that, this is how your scrunchie should be looking. Simple, decent, the old style. Let me know how did you all like it. Links to all the items given in this video are mentioned in the description box, so you all can purchase it directly from there. Don't you think that was a very easy hack? Certainly is, where y'all do not have to use a needle or thread or a stitching machine, especially for those of y'all who want to wear scrunchies, who like wearing scrunchies or making their own and do not want to go through the hassle of stitching. This is a best one for y'all. So do let me know in the comments section if y'all have any questions regarding this episode, and if y'all have any other suggestions also. For those of y'all who are new visitors to my channel, it's a request to please click on the subscribe button and the bell notification icon so that y'all do not miss out on any hacks that I post on my channel. That's all on today's video. For any hack suggestions or requests, do get in touch with me on my social media site. I'll see you next time with another new hack on How Hacks.